How to find hotspot password in your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find the hotspot password on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to app hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you will see the cellular data option. Tap on it and you'll need to turn on your cellular data to head over to your personal hotspot. So turn on cellular data and head over to personal hotspot. After you're there, you will see the Wi-Fi password. That is your cellular data's or your hotspot's password. So you can tap on it and right there you can see the password and you can even change it. So after you've done that, that is basically how you can find your hotspot password on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and do not forget to subscribe and like the video.